Customers want connection, not content. That is reason number 3 why you want to build a community in 2025. See, people will not buy because of your product. They're not going to buy because of the service. They're going to buy because they can belong to something bigger. So when you create your own community, you can create an environment that makes them feel heard, makes them have connections, and they'll be able to connect with other members. And it helps you become the authority because you're going to be in there delivering value, loving on people, getting to know people, and they're going to learn to know, like, and trust you. And you're going to help people feel part of something bigger than themselves. See, people don't want more information. People don't need more content. They want to know that they can trust you to help them have that transformation. So that's why you want to create a community in 2025. So let me kind of lay out how it works. You can still create content on social media. You still need to build the email list, but drive them back to your free community. That way, inside the community, you can get to know them better. They can get to know other people inside the community better. And then you literally can ask them the right questions so you can find out how to serve them better. And then you give them what they need. This is how you build a fast income, because money loves speed. This is how you build a fast income, but this is how you build an income from helping people. This is how you build an income of your raving fans. This is how you build a solid income. It's the best thing I ever did because, I just didn't want to be out there with 5 billion people on social media posting content. I wanted to make sure my customers feel heard, my customers feel understood, and they could feel part of something. And I wanted to be able to ask them, how can I help you? How can I serve you better in 2025? And because of that, now it's added multiple income streams. I made over $4 million just in 2024 alone from providing community, providing connection, and from actually just giving people what they want. And here's something else as well. Connection equals currency. So the more you create a connecting community, the more currency you're going to make. And then you can leave that legacy for your family. So in 2025, create a community. Just go in there, ask people questions, truly care about them, truly care about impacting their life, truly care about them having that transformation, and watch what will happen to your business. Have a great day.